What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. If you have a Maserati key and want a premium leather cover, check this out. I was looking for a cover for this because this aluminum key kind of get dinged up, banged up, lose its luster and shine, kind of like me. And I wanted a leather key cover and something I could use every day. So I found this on Etsy. It's by Lee's 5 Craft, I believe is the name of the company. I think everything is made to order, and so don't expect anything to come really quickly, but I was actually surprised. This came within a couple weeks of me ordering it, so I like that, especially when you're not inventorying a bunch of stuff. Now, here is the information. Oh, I get a 10% discount. Don't use that code, because I might buy something else from it. And what we have is this business card, and I was just trying to figure out how to open this. Oh, here it is. This is the tail end of the piece here. And so you actually get to order different types of hardware. And this is a little D-ring here that this little bar will go through the bottom and hold the cover on. It looks like we have a key ring. We also have a little clip like this. You can get them in different sizes and finishes, and this one is the nickel, and this is the smaller clip. I don't know if I'll need these. I don't know if I'll drive this car enough and need to carry house keys and things like that, but I will use this little ring here. And as you can see, it kind of has to be hand tightened because I don't see a slot in either end of these to tighten them down with a screwdriver. Interesting. So I definitely will use just a bit of blue thread locker because I'm not sure that I will get these tightened down well enough. And you can see, spoiler alert, I ordered this in blue leather, so we have a little tie down right there. And then here is the key cover itself, which I'm really excited about. And I'm also kind of, I see what he was mentioning in the instructions. So here's the key cover. You can see it's nice and flat. It must be patterned after something that he made a mold on. And what I really liked about this was it comes in some different colors. I was really torn about getting this in a bright red, like a Ferrari red leather, but I went with something a little more subtle. This, I'll call it navy blue. It's a little cold, came in the mail. And what I really love is the attention to detail. So you can see that blue leather there, but you can also see this little spacer here. We get a little bit of this like ivory piping. And then we have some of that color match stitching right there. So it has nice contrast. You can see the buttons stamped in here, kind of on this side. So you have those all hammered in, and then the Maserati logo. You can even stamp in your name or some sort of greeting right there, but I didn't opt for any of that. Didn't feel I needed it, but it looks really, really nice. Now, obviously, this is not molded or opened up for my keychain yet. You can see we have that kind of almost suede-like, little hard, unfinished leather lining, so you shouldn't have to worry about it slipping around. Now, here's the thing that I was looking for that I wasn't sure if was included, and we have these little epoxy stickers, and basically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put these on the buttons to raise them up a little bit, because I don't know if the leather will flex enough that the buttons will work. And so because the remote will kind of push everything out, and the leather will take a little while to break in, these actually might be kind of bowed up and not really touching the keys. So do I need these? I'm not sure, but I'm going to put them on. So got them all in there. Want to give this thing a fair shake. I'd prefer not to have these, just have a nice fit, especially because there's a little bit of adhesive on the back. I'm not sure that they'll be hard to get off, but hate when you use adhesive and you're not sure if you can get it off the plastic. They're on there pretty good, but I guess they do come off, but over time they could stick a little more. So I've got them on there because I follow directions. And now you just slide the sucker in, and I actually hope that they don't push the little nibs off. But oh, look at that. The leather is actually a little more supple and soft than I was expecting because it goes right on in. All right. Oh, I like it. Man, it looks and feels good. Kind of twisted it a little bit, so I'm gonna try to adjust that just a smidge. Right, as I'm getting it in there and twisting it and kind of fitting it in, one thing I can tell you is I can feel the buttons clicking, so that's a good sign. And the other thing is you want to get it right up to the top, and you also want to straighten it out. And then I was realizing once I put this pin in, that's going to do a little bit of the work of kind of orienting it as well as keeping it nicely pushed to the end. So you push that pin in there. But before you tighten it up, you want to put on this side of the loop and then line up with the hole, push that through, and then bring the loop over. And then I put just a drop of thread locker on that screw and screw it down. And in some ways, I wish that it had just a slot here so that I could tighten it down with a screwdriver, but because I have that thread locker on there, I feel a little bit better about it because it is a little hard to kind of tighten it down. Now, I will say you won't tighten it down all the way. You're just going to tighten it down to comfort, because the pin is actually a little bit thinner than the width of the remote and the leather. But look at that, man. That is outstanding. Hey, if you want to pick this up by Lee's, I will put a link to it in the description. Like I said, it's not the cheapest thing in the world. It was just about $65, $68, something like that. But if you want to dress up your remote, protect it, give it a little style and color, what a great way to do it, man. I really dig this. Pretty cool looking. Hey, links to everything in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.